Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable Facebook Marketplace. So in order to do this, it's really easy, so let's just immediately jump into the tutorial. All you need to do is open your Facebook app, and then right here once you're at home you will have all those options at the bottom of your screen: home, videos, friends, profile, notifications and menu. But you've probably noticed that Marketplace is just not there. Well, here's how you can still access and enable the Marketplace. So a few things to keep in mind before you do this is your account needs to be at least 1 month old. Sometimes Facebook will just not give you access to the Marketplace if your account is not old enough, because they don't immediately want to give you a lot of advertisements and all those kind of things. So yeah, make sure to keep in mind that sometimes the Marketplace is just not there for you yet because your account is extremely new. And yeah, that's basically all you need to keep in mind. Then secondly, also make sure that you are in an area where a lot of things are getting sold over on the Facebook Marketplace. If you live somewhere remote, then sometimes it will also cause issues with your Facebook Marketplace. And yeah, that's basically all you need to know. So in order to access the Facebook Marketplace, if it's not here at the bottom dock, then all you need to do is click on menu right here, and you want to click on see more, and then you will see somewhere on these options you will see Marketplace. Mine is right here, and then literally right here I have this Marketplace right here, and that's how you can access it. So yeah, that's how you can enable and find the Facebook Marketplace. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in the next YouTube tutorial video.